A very happy new year to all the viewers of Sumita Roy's English Classroom. As the year 2026 begins, each of you can motivate yourself to learn English or to improve the level of English, whichever you think is most relevant. Please remember that unless you have the right motivation, you cannot achieve anything in life. How will you motivate yourself? That is a question which all of you will have. Now, the first point is to get rid of all the negatives which you feel about yourself. Many of you send comments saying, I cannot learn English. I do not know English. I'm scared of English. Or I fear that I will make mistakes while using English. So the first point is get out of this negative thinking process. Start thinking positively every day. Every morning and evening, if you tell yourself that in 2026, I will learn good English. It's not enough to know English just a little. You must say, I will learn good English. And for this, what all you have to do, make a list of that in the beginning. But what happens at the beginning of the year, you make the list. By 2nd or 3rd January, the list is lost and you have stopped practicing. Don't do that. At the beginning of last year, 2025, I had told you how to master English in a year. After that, thousands of people have sent in their comments saying that by watching these videos, we are improving our English. Every day there is an improvement. These days I have regular live classes, and in the space of that one live class of 60 minutes, I can see the improvement in all the participants. I point out by name that this is the improvement each one of you has made. If you make mistakes, then I correct you in the live classes. For special members of the channel, there are 8 live classes per month. For the primary members, there are 4 live classes. And there is one live class which is open to any viewer of the channel, any subscriber of the channel. So when you attend these, your motivation remains high because there are many people like you in the live class. I'm there and we are all telling you all the time that you can improve, you can become better. Now suppose you want to improve on your own, what we call self-improvement. That is highly motivating. We improve ourselves by telling ourselves constantly that we have to become better. How does that happen? That happens when you choose the relevant videos in the channel to practice using those videos. Now, how will you do that? Suppose you want to speak good English, there are videos for you. Suppose you want to write good English, there are videos for you. Now, you can't do both at once. You have to do them step by step. So choose that playlist on the channel which says Speak English Easily. There are a list of videos there. Now check the list, choose a video, one video per day, watch it. If you feel watching it once is not enough, then watch it 2-3 times, whenever you have time. I'm not saying you have to stop other things and learn English, whenever you find free time, please remember that there is some support. There is a video for you to watch, and once you have watched it 2 or 3 times, if you feel like, more if you feel like, then speak about what you have heard. Don't worry about excellent grammar or excellent vocabulary to start with. Start speaking, because you have a voice mechanism, a machine which God has given. Unless you use that machine, you are not going to become better. Therefore, it is important for you to use that machine. And how will you do it? By speaking loudly whatever you have heard. It's no use only thinking in the mind. Thinking is the first step. Speaking is the second step. Because of the request of many of the thousands of subscribers, these days I'm giving you videos which are called Beginner's English. So if you are a beginner and you are sending me comments in Hindi, Urdu, Telugu, any other language, some languages which I can't read, I can't understand, I keep telling you, send your comments in English. If it is a language I know, I translate your comment and I give you saying that, say it like this. Practice that sentence many times. In the beginner's videos, I have given you simple patterns for your practice. Watch the video once carefully, listening to it. In the second time, repeat it aloud. Along with the video, you need to repeat it. You can keep my voice on mute. Make my voice 0 volume and hear your own voice. Record yourself if you feel worried about whether you are speaking correctly or not. Once you record your own voice, listen to it and listen to the video once more. You will know exactly where you require improvement. Can you do this for a month? I'm talking about 12 months. Now, to begin the process, somebody recently told me that why don't you speak in Urdu or Hindi sometimes? Now, I can't speak in Urdu or Hindi, although I know Urdu and Hindi. The simple reason is the moment I use another language, you will stop learning English. If I spend 1 minute speaking Hindi or Urdu, that is 1 minute of English lost from your listening. Therefore, do not try to do it using 2 languages. It is good. You can use your mother tongue to learn English, but that is only at the basic level. For the first 2 or 3 days or the first 5 days, you can use your mother tongue. But later, please do not use your mother tongue, because if you continue to use your mother tongue, then you will speak only 1 word of English, 1 of your mother tongue, and it will be a mixture of 2 languages or 3 languages, not English. Most of us need English for our professional growth. You want a job, you want a promotion, you want a higher salary, you need English. I get thousands and thousands of messages saying that we are struggling in our careers because we do not know English. Then what should you do? You have to remember that learning English in English is the best way for you. That is why I'm giving you enough videos and many shots. If you have a short time, you're waiting at a bus stop, see 2 or 3 shots. Try to remember, try to think about it, because thinking in English is very important. These days you have many apps for learning English. I've given you 2 videos on, one on artificial intelligence, AI, for learning English. and another on ChatGPT. Use these videos to get an idea. Then take over your improvement, as I mentioned, self-improvement. If you improve a little, 1% today, it'll motivate you highly. So, to keep yourself motivated for 365 days, you have to do something every day. And you have to do it right so that that result takes you a step further. If you sit back and say, "Oh, I can never learn English, I'm scared of English," then you can never learn. Remember, you have to take the first step. Like a small child who cannot walk takes a first step and falls down. As we grow up, we are scared to fall down. So in English also it's the same. If you have never spoken a single sentence of English, we had some of them in the live class recently. They said, "This is the first live class I have attended. Yours is the first channel I'm watching." These people have not spoken English at any point in their life. They know other languages very well. They don't know English. Here is a platform for you to learn English. So when you subscribe, when you see the video, you like and hype the video, don't forget to send a comment, because every time you write 1 or 2 sentences, your English improves. And then attend the live classes as much as you can. If you can become a special member, do it. A primary member, do it. Otherwise, once a month, come for the live classes in large numbers. You don't have to pay anything for it. And then you get benefited. Then you have to give me the feedback. Look at the feedback which people are giving. I have posted one feedback recently in the channel post. You can see that feedback and you see how people are enjoying the process of learning. We can't learn if it is a task. Oh, learning English is so boring. We can't learn like that. We should enjoy ourselves. Whatever we do, let us enjoy ourselves. So I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to tell you that learning English is great fun. Enjoy yourself and learn as much as you can. But without your practice, nothing is going to work. So motivate yourself in 2026 to practice English every day and send me your comments every day to tell me whether you're really improving or not. Thank you and all the best.